You know the music, but do you know the history? Sean Paul's family name, Henriques, traces back to a powerful group of Sephardic Jewish merchants who helped shape Jamaica's economy for centuries. We're diving into the colonial ties and elite networks that aren't taught in school. We know him for the hits that define a generation, but the name Henriques represents more than just music. It represents the hidden hands of Jamaica's merchant elite. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the Sephardic Jewish legacy and the colonial ties that built a dynasty, revealing a side of Jamaican history that your teachers never mentioned. Most people are unaware that Sean Paul's paternal grandfather descended from a long line of Sephardic Jews who fled Europe for Jamaica in the 1600s. They weren't your typical plantation owners. They were the merchant kings of the island. This merchant class held a unique spot in the colonial hierarchy. They controlled the trade, the credit, and the ports. But with that power came a connection to the colonial system that is rarely discussed in detail, including their role in the business of the slave trade. It's a part of the rich minority history that often gets skipped in the classroom. Today, these families are among the most well-connected in the country. From the legal system to the arts, the Henriques legacy is everywhere. Yet most Jamaicans aren't aware of how this specific group navigated the colonial era to become the elite of today. Understanding Sean Paul's roots gives us a window into a side of Jamaica that is informative, complex, and essential to understanding the island's true social fabric. Did you know about the Sephardic history of Jamaica? Let's talk about it in the comments.